Wow, we got some spicy fua moko going on here. I guess this is like an original outfit, but it works really well. I like these original works also very much. Nice posing, especially nice line and nice thighs. Ooh. But both are very cute. Cute nails. Here, nice, resting your face slightly on your sister's booba, and then the gentle touch protecting your little sister, and then the hug. Oh yeah, that's really good posing. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Very nice. By the way, perfect lighting. Good job, photographer. I again see light coming here through the back. This is a nice little light accent here. You know what I mean?